When you start your online coaching business, it can feel overwhelming because everyone is telling you to use these new tools, this, and that. And you're like, which one is which? What type of, there's so many pieces of the puzzle that I know, even back in the days when I started, it was overwhelming. But let me tell you that you can start your own coaching business today almost for free. So let me share with you what you need and what you don't need. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to me, my name is Monica. I'm from Italy originally. I used to be an actress, turned transformational coach, improv therapist, and then business coach. I spent 20 years in film and TV media, and now I teach sole purpose entrepreneurs to build their business successfully. So here's what you need to start today with your coaching business online, because actually offline you can also do it for free, but online you need an internet connection and you need tools like Zoom. I know that there's also Google Meet. I think it's free, but I prefer Zoom and I like the paid version because it allows you to speak with people for more than 45 minutes. Then in order to talk to people, they need to book an appointment with you. Yes, you can also figure it out on the go, just DMing people, hey, this is the day that I'm available. Are you available the other day? But I see that through having a calendar, and I use Calendly, which I love, it makes it much easier for people to book a call with you. You can also use other calendar softwares, but that's what I use. Now, you don't need any complicated, expensive thing like building your website. I would avoid that, or I would build my website with this software that are free, like Wix or many others that I don't know the names now, but I started with that back in the days. So let's say instead that you already had a few clients and you're ready to level up and you want to take things to the next level. I would recommend one thing and one only, and I'm gonna share this with you. And this is not a paid sponsorship, by the way, obviously, but it will help you run your business much smoother and make you also look much more professional. It's gonna really change your life. And it's to use Kajabi. I've been using it for a few years, and yes, it's a little expensive. I pay $199 per month. I know that there are other options, other promotions sometimes, and you can host your website, host your program in it. You can have landing pages, opt-in, sales pages, CRM. You can use email marketing. You can have your community in it. I don't have my community in it, but I know you can do that. You can have so many things that I don't even use all of the things, but it's so much easier instead of having different softwares and then linking them together, unless you have help from a VA or somebody else, or maybe you are tech savvy as well. But because I know I'm not, I love Kajabi because of that very reason. So that's what I use in my business, and I'm gonna share with you other paid tools that I use. One is obviously Zoom and Calendly, and then the paid version of ChatGPT, which you can use also the free version, but the paid version, I know that memorizes and it's very updated, and I just love it. It's like really having an assistant, and I was so reluctant in the beginning because oh no, I want to be stuck in the old ways. And then when I adapted to it, it's just amazing. I have full-blown conversations, arguments with ChatGPT. I'm I didn't mean that. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, fine, I forgive you. But anyway, I love it. I love it so much. And then CapCut, because the paid version allows you to edit longer videos, I think more than a minute. It's so hard to use the free version because then you add something like a filter, a caption, or whatever that is, and then it tells you, well, if you want to export it, you gotta pay now. So I did all this work and now I gotta pay. It's better that I pay annually or monthly, and that's much better. And then the last one, Canva. You can do all sorts of things. You can create design. I'm not a graphic designer. I'm not great at all at those things, and I just copy paste and I do it 5 minutes, it's done. It's really amazing. And it gives you so many options with the paid version. That's it. These are the tools that I use. I keep it simple. I used to pay for all these little things, oh, maybe I can check that. Maybe I can pay for that. Oh, let me see how that works. And then I forgot. And so when I look at my business admin, my expenses, I was like, why am I paying for this thing that I never use? So these are the essentials that I use in my business, that most of my clients use in their businesses as well, maybe with different softwares, but we like to keep things very simple and easy. If you're starting out, I will start out with simple things like that, the free things, and only the paid versions that I told you, Zoom and Calendly or another calendar. And if you want to level up in your business, maybe you're using other softwares, and so I would use the paid versions of those softwares, and maybe even hiring someone who manages those. Let me know in the comments, which tool would you like to add on into your business? Because I'm geeking out over these things. I really love to find out new software. I'm not techie again, but I really love to discover what technology can do for us to better and improve our lives. If you are starting out, and if you're not making 10K yet per month, watch this video over here and I will give you 5 tips on how to do so, and you can actually use more tools. See you next time. Ciao, ciao.